Learn English to Gujarati. Mixture, constellation, situation and
System logic.
welcome, brave word explorer. Hey, you are about to learn some seriously smart vocabulary without falling asleep on your dictionary. Yes, that is the dream. Today you will meet 8 big ideas in English and Gujarati. Mixture is.
मिश्रण.
Constellation is.
नक्षत्र समूह.
Situation is.
परिस्थिति.
Initial situation is.
आरंभिक स्थिति.
Framework condition is.
राहत शरत.
Parameter is.
परिमाण.
Functional relationship is.
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
And system logic is.
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
If these words look fancy, good. Fancy words deserve a fun entrance. A weird meeting of minds. Imagine you walk into a meeting room where a chef, an astronomer, a scientist, and a programmer are all arguing over tea. Naturally, this is the best classroom. The chef says, "My soup is a wild."
मिश्रण.
Of sweet, spicy, and probably accidental. The astronomer points out the window and says, "Last night I saw a bright."
नक्षत्र समूह.
Single quote. The manager sighs and says, "Please understand the current."
परिस्थिति.
Before adding more chili to the budget. The analyst adds, "First we must review the."
आरंभिक स्थिति.
Who invited the goat to the conference room? The lawyer clears her throat and says, "That depends on the."
राहत शरत.
Single quote. The scientist whispers, "We also need the correct."
परिमाण.
Single quote. The researcher nods, and the
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
between stress and snack consumption is obvious. Finally, the programmer says, "None of this works unless the."
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
Makes sense. You stare silently. The goat looks qualified. Word spotlight. Now let us slow things down and make each word feel less scary. You do not need perfection, just repetition. Mixture equals.
मिश्रण.
Think of many things blending into one. A snack mix, a soup, or your playlist after midnight. Constellation equals.
नक्षत्र समूह.
A group or pattern of stars. Not one lonely star having a dramatic solo career. Situation equals.
परिस्थिति.
The overall circumstances. Useful when life becomes complicated or when your cat joins a video call. Initial situation equals.
आरंभिक स्थिति.
The starting condition before things change. Before the chaos. Before the email marked urgent urgent urgent. Framework condition equals.
राहत शरत.
The surrounding condition or structural rule that shapes what is possible. Parameter equals.
परिमाण.
A setting, value, or defining measure. Tiny knob, big consequences. Functional relationship equals.
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
A technical connection between changing things. One changes, another responds. System logic equals.
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
The internal logic of how a system works. Or fails, if someone coded with too much confidence. Mini scenes you can remember. Let us glue the words to funny little scenes. Your brain loves stories, especially slightly ridiculous ones. Scene 1. A cook proudly serves a shocking.
मिश्रण.
Of noodles, mango, and coffee. Nobody stops him. This is how legends begin. Scene 2. You lie on a rooftop and point at a glowing.
नक्षत्र समूह.
Your friend says it looks like a spoon. You say it looks like unpaid rent. Scene 3. In a tense office.
परिस्थिति.
Everyone talks at once until one calm person says, "Let us breathe first." A true hero. Scene 4. A detective studies the
आरंभिक स्थिति.
of a room and writes, "One chair broken, one cookie missing, one uncle suspicious." Scene 5. A project stops because of a legal.
राहत शरत.
Translation. Paperwork has entered the chat. Scene 6. A robot refuses to dance until you set the right.
परिमाण.
Fair enough. Even robots need boundaries. Scene 7. A teacher shows a graph and explains the
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
between study time and exam results. The class suddenly sits up. Scene 8. An app crashes and the developer mutters, "Ah." The
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
was built on hope. Quick dialogue drill. Say these aloud after me if you can. If people stare at you, congratulations, you look dedicated. A. Is this one pure flavor? B. No, it is A.
मिश्रण.
A. What do you see in the night sky? B. A.
नक्षत्र समूह.
A. What is happening here? B. The
परिस्थिति.
is complicated. A. Before we plan, what do we study? B. The
आरंभिक स्थिति.
A. What shapes the limits of this project? B. The
राहत शरत.
A. Which value should we change? B. The
परिमाण.
A. What links these two variables? B. A.
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
A. Why is the software behaving like this? B. Because of the
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
memory tricks. Here comes the sneaky part, memory hooks. These help the words stick instead of sliding away like wet soap. 4.
मिश्रण.
Hear the sound mish and think mix. 4.
नक्षत्र समूह.
Remember it as star group. Nakshatra plus Sama. 4.
परिस्थिति.
Imagine assessing the whole scene before acting. 4.
आरंभिक स्थिति.
Think beginning plus state. 4.
राहत शरत.
Imagine a big frame around a plan, setting conditions. 4.
परिमाण.
Picture a control knob on a machine. 4.
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
Imagine two gears turning together. 4.
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
Picture a flowchart with arrows behaving themselves for once. Tiny quiz, big glory. Time for a fast quiz. No pressure. Well, only a little educational pressure. What is the Gujarati word for mixture?
मिश्रण.
What is the Gujarati word for constellation?
नक्षत्र समूह.
What is the Gujarati word for situation?
परिस्थिति.
What is the Gujarati phrase for initial situation?
आरंभिक स्थिति.
What is the Gujarati phrase for framework condition?
राहत शरत.
What is the Gujarati word for parameter?
परिमाण.
What is the Gujarati phrase for functional relationship?
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
What is the Gujarati phrase for system logic?
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
Your final challenge. Now you try linking the words to real life. This is where passive listening turns into actual learning. Describe a recipe using.
मिश्रण.
Describe the night sky using.
नक्षत्र समूह.
Describe a difficult moment using.
परिस्थिति.
Explain the starting point of a story using.
आरंभिक स्थिति.
Talk about rules around a project with.
राहत शरत.
Talk about a technical setting using.
परिमाण.
Explain a graph or cause and effect idea with.
कार्यात्मक संबंध.
Explain how an app works with.
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You just handled a set of advanced words like a calm, multilingual genius. Or at least like a very determined goat from our meeting room. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these English and Gujarati words aloud.
मिश्रण. नक्षत्र समूह. परिस्थिति. आरंभिक स्थिति. राहत शरत. परिमाण. कार्यात्मक संबंध.
And
सिस्टम लॉजिक.
practice a little, repeat often, and your vocabulary will grow stronger every day.